My legs are in absolute agony, but I've managed to like detach my legs from my body using my mind. Hi, my name's Ben, I'm a UK based mountain leader, and this is day 6 of my Pennine Way adventure. Good morning. I woke up this morning, my legs are still in clip, but I'm able, they're much better than they were. So the plan today is to go over to Horton-in-Ribblesdale, see how I feel, and then make a decision from there whether to crack on to Hawes or not, but should be alright. I don't know if you can make it out, but look at this sunrise, man. Amazing. Try and get a nice still of it for you guys. That right there is the first mountain, I don't know if you can call it a mountain, that I ever did, and then ended up doing it hundreds more times. So this little area here holds a lot of significance for me. This is where my outdoors lifestyle began. The signpost for Hawes. I don't know what's going on in Horton-in-Ribblesdale. My favourite cafe. I used to come down here quite a lot and run Pennine, run to the summit, come down, eat in the cafe. That's shut. You know when you set yourself a goal and you're excited about that goal? Well, that was Horton-in-Ribblesdale for me today, and a nice can of cold soda and all that. Physically, I was feeling spent, my body was in pain. I knew that continuing to hike was going to be painful, but psychologically, I was committed. I just kind of altered my mindset and was gonna do it. This is a pretty beautiful little spot. So we've come from Pennine area, which is over there, and then that flat thing there is Ingleborough. And that there, that fin shape is Whernside. And between Whernside, the valley between these two, there's a viaduct. It's absolutely beautiful. This is the Yorkshire Three Peaks area. So you start over here and then you go all the way through the valley. You go up onto Whernside, over Whernside, and you drop back down the other side. Then you come up the other side of Ingleborough, you drop down Ingleborough, and then you weave your way back through the valley into Horton-in-Ribblesdale. Just that cafe not being there anymore. The Yorkshire Three Peaks used to be, you clock in and then you've got 12 hours to do it, and then you clock out and then you get a little goodie bag with, I think you get a t-shirt and you get a badge and a little certificate. All that's gone now. Look at the balls on this fella. Ding dong! He's huge, man. Look at the muscles on him. I've just stopped for some lunch and a drink of water. Yeah, it's weird. It's my legs feel they feel good, man. They're still hurting, but I feel pretty good, man. I feel I could keep going now, so I'm gonna keep going, and I'm getting into a rhythm where I get natural shade from this tree and from this lovely tree here, and then I stop, have some water, let my body cool down, and then crack on, and it's working really well. And when I'm walking much quicker. I think this trail's it's pretty damn cool, man. It's really nice. I see the appeal now. I think up until Malham, I haven't really seen the appeal of the Pennine Way. But this is damn beautiful. like really nice. I made it to Hawes. The sun's going down though. I'm gonna get up and go get food from the shop in the morning and then go to Tan Hill, meet Emma, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed day 6 of my Pennine adventure. I will be back next Monday for the final episode, day 7. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button over there, give a thumbs up, and leave me a comment in a bit.